Hey guys, I'm going to try a little experiment here with these operational amplifiers. One time I was using them to make a preamp for my power amp stage, and I noticed that the TL072 was making quite a bit of hiss. And I was surprised. It's supposed to be a low noise operational amp. So I wanted to compare it to some other higher performance chips. I have an LM833 and a LM4562, and these are really great chips. I just love using the LM4562 is really a high end. It just has incredible performance. I'm not going to touch its performance with a single transistor preamp stage like the one I did the other day. Though really, can your ears tell the difference? I don't know. But what I did here is I set up a little amplifier. Ignore all this crap over here. It's just this little op amp circuit. I have two 9-volt batteries giving the dual supply. So first here I have the TL072 plugged in. What I did, I hooked up a divider network for the negative feedback. I used a 22K and a 1K kilo ohm resistor, and it's a a non-inverting amplifier, so that you have to add one to that, so it's 23. Then I took that output and fed it into the amp on the other side with the same amount of gain. So it has a voltage gain of 23 as well. So the total voltage gain is 23 times 23, which is 23. 529. That sounds like a lot. But if I hit log and multiply that by 20, hard to use my thumb like this, holding the calculator. So the gain is actually 54.469. Now if you want to, you can calculate that another way. You can just put one amplifier voltage gain in for, one part of that amplifier. Hit log times 20. So it's 27.23. And you add those together. So it's 27.23 plus 27.23. But same thing, I'll just put times 2. And you notice exact same thing. That's just because with the decibels you can add the values together, and with the actual voltage gain you multiply them together for the two amplifier stages there. But anyway, didn't want to get too far off track. Why I'm doing this, I need to boost that noise, that background noise, above the computer's background noise, because I'm going to plug it into the computer and use Audacity to record that hiss. And you can hear it now. It's got a lot of hiss. I turned the input up. For some reason I'm getting some crackling. I don't know why. But what I'll do is record a short section of it. Probably cut out that hiss, or that crackle. Then I will, because I'm only using one channel, I'll split it to mono, get rid of the dead channel, and now we got both channels. And because the noise is so low, I will go in here to effect and amplify it. and well, I want to put like 20 dB of amplification to it, but because of that crackle I can't, because it clips. And so you get the idea.